Summer 2025's must-have. The Preppy Polo shirt gets a stylish makeover. When you think of polo shirts, you might picture golf-loving dads, preppy young aristocrats with that maroon polo from your old gym tit you'd rather forget. But Summer 2025 is changing that perception, as polo shirts are making a fashionable comeback with a fresh, feminine twist. This classic piece, a beloved trend in the early 2000s, is getting a contemporary upgrade, becoming a staple for trendsetters of today. Major fashion houses like Gucci, Fendi, and Balenciaga are reintroducing the polo with a chic, preppy twist for the spring-summer season. Reflecting on the spring-summer 2024 collections, the polo shirt was quietly making its way back into high fashion. Designers like Miu Miu brought a playful edge, pairing polos with playful mini-skirts and sandals, while Chanel styled striped versions with bikinis during their cruise show. Other names like Amelia Wickstead and Loewe presented cozy cashmere and slouchy leather variations, respectively. Even Ralph Lauren, known for his classic polo designs, embraced the trend with a touch of glamour by adding gold lame. This summer, the goal isn't to perfect your golfing technique. It's about capturing that relaxed, effortlessly chic vibe. Take a cue from social media influencer Ruby Lin and pair a polo with relaxed jeans and ballet flats for an understated, chic ensemble. The trend is veering away from the polished, preppy origins. Instead, it's all about a laid-back, casual look with a slightly undone feel. Explore our top picks. The evolution of polo shirts from classic piqué cotton to contemporary styles is impressive. Today, you can find them in various fabrics, from light knits to luxurious silk cashmere blends. Whether you're looking to incorporate a bit of the preppy aesthetic or aiming for a more casual summer look, there's a polo shirt that fits your style. Discover our selection of the season's best polo shirts. Featured selections. Expand the polo with dark denim for an effortlessly elevated look. Blend this off-white version with dark Hisandi jeans for an effortlessly simple cocktail look. Channel the chick of a model off-duty. All about how 2025's Preppy Polo got a major upgrade. Flashback to spring-summer 2024. The collared t-shirt was already quietly making its comeback. But Miu Miu styled polos with whimsical mini-skirts and sandals in Rome chose striped smocks with bikini bottoms during their cruise show. Meanwhile, polo patriarch Ralph Lauren embraced the revival with a gold lame paired with tulle. Instead of leaning into the shirt's preppy polished roots, go for a relaxed, buttoned-down feel that keeps things cool and understated. Exactly what you're toting this summer. A complete outfit to wear on your day of coffee runs. By pairing this stylish strap in the classic rib jersey, and you're ready for the final approach. Created by Deacon at Cult Heron. Heron paired polos with bathing suit panels while filming during their fashion shows. Nothing looks at natural, smooth, and easy to understand tone, and right in the most comprehensible. To read more, visit HLab.